Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will be discussing about camera filters for DJI Mavic Mini and Mini 2. So for this video we have 4 ND filters which come from AmijiCare. So in this pack we get ND4, ND8, ND16 and ND32. So here we don't have UV and CPL filters. So let's quickly unbox this pack and let's mount these filters on our DJI Mini 2 and let's check out the difference with filter and without filter. So without wasting much of the time, let's quickly get into the video. So guys, here we have AmijiCare Sunny Life filters for our DJI Mavic Mini 2. So this pack contains 4 ND filters, ND4 to ND32, and in this pack UV and CPL filters are not included. And on box we get AmijiCare and Sunny Life branding. So at the back side the MRP price which is printed is of 5,000, but on Amazon we can get it for 4,000 rupees. In offers or any sale we can get it for 3,400 to 3,500 rupees. Inside the package we get a small box with a branding of Sunny Life. So let's quickly unwrap it. So inside this package we get one cleaning cloth, that is microfiber cloth, and we get a stickers of ND4, ND8 and all the filter names. So here is the box. So we can use this box to store our filters safely. This box is made up of plastic. Now let's quickly open the box and check out the filters. So here are the 4 filters which I had ordered. So basically these filters are used to control the light entering the camera without changing any shutter speed. As we all know, in our Mavic Mini and Mini 2 we only get a priority to change a shutter speed or an ISO. So we don't have a priority or a option to change aperture. So to reduce the amount of light entering the camera, we directly need to increase our shutter speed. So when we increase the shutter speed, we won't get that motion blur in our video footage. So these filters are used to get a proper exposed video and to click some long exposure photos. So here in the box we have one ND4 filter, as you can see on the screen. So these filters are of 0.8 gram, means if you use these filters with your drone, then your drone will be 249.8 grams, which will not exceed 250 grams. So still your drone remains under nano category. So this is the best part of these filters. So now as you can see on the screen, this filter is of ND8, means this filter has 8 stops, and the ND4 filter has 4 stops. As the number increases, the stops will be increased and the more amount of light can be controlled, means you get a darker video, like black video, what we say. So basically these filters won't add any dynamic range or any saturation to your footage. To add some saturation to your footage like blue color in the sky, then for that you need a CPL filter. These are ND filter which used to block the light. So to mount these filters on our DJI Mavic Mini or Mini 2 is very simple. Just we have to roll our camera down. So on the back side of the camera we get a filter mounting gaps. These filters come with 2 hooks on the back side. So just we need to place the filter onto the lens and we just need to press it gently, so it will get automatically placed onto the camera. So as shown in the video, you just need to place it like this and just give a gentle press. Then after that you will hear a click sound. With that your filter is set up on the camera. So before taking our drone outdoor and checking the footage, let's test whether our camera cap will fit properly with filter or not. So as you can see on the screen, camera cap fits properly on the lens or on the camera without removing the filter. So this is the best part. So we don't need to change or remove the filter every time. So after mounting the filters onto the camera, I was worried about the gimbal calibration. So I just rolled the camera downwards and upwards and checked the stability of the gimbal. So with the ND filters on the camera, it is smooth as without the ND filters of the camera. So both the footages are same. There is no effect on gimbal. Everything is working fine and stable. So the footage that you are observing now is without ND filter, and the shutter speed over here is 1/120 and ISO is 100. So you can see the exposure. So this footage is with ND4 filter and the ISO is 100 and shutter speed is same as 1/120. So now this footage is with ND8 filter and the ISO and shutter speed are same, 100 and 1/120. So looking at the sky, you guys can understand the difference with filter and without filter. The footage now you are seeing is with ND16 filter and the ISO and shutter speed is same. So here you can see the sky exposure. I hope you guys can observe the motion at the corners of this footage. So now on the screen you can directly see the difference between without ND filter, with ND4, with ND8, with ND16. ISO and shutter speed is same, 100 and shutter speed is 1/120.
So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you have liked this video. I'll be adding the purchase link of this ND filters in the description, and I'll be adding one more link to purchase UV filters and CPL filters. Even UV filters and CPL filters come in a combo of 4, where in that pack you can get one CPL filters, one UV filter, one ND4 and ND8 filter. So that pack cost you around 3000 rupees, and this pack where you get ND4, ND8, ND16, ND32, this pack will cost you around 4000 rupees. So I'll be adding both the links in the description. You can purchase whichever you feel is required for you. So I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.